A hot desert ecosystem is a biome characterized by low precipitation, high temperatures, and minimal vegetation. These ecosystems are typically found in regions near the equator or in subtropical areas, where atmospheric circulation patterns create dry conditions and inhibit the formation of clouds and rainfall. Characteristics of hot desert ecosystems. 1. Low precipitation. Hot desert ecosystems receive very little rainfall, often less than 250 mm per year. The limited precipitation results in arid conditions, with water being a scarce resource for both plants and animals. 2. High temperatures. Hot desert ecosystems experience extreme temperatures, with daytime temperatures frequently exceeding 40 degrees Celsius and nighttime temperatures dropping significantly due to low humidity levels. The intense heat poses challenges for both plant and animal life, requiring adaptations for temperature regulation and water conservation. 3. Sparse vegetation. Vegetation in hot desert ecosystems is typically sparse and adapted to survive in arid conditions. Plants often have specialized features such as succulent leaves, deep root systems, and water-storing tissues to minimize water loss and withstand drought conditions. 4. Specialized plant adaptations. Plants in hot desert ecosystems have evolved various adaptations to cope with the harsh environmental conditions. Examples include cacti with modified stems for water storage, succulents with fleshy leaves to store water, and deep-rooted shrubs to access groundwater. 5. Limited biodiversity. Due to the extreme environmental conditions, hot desert ecosystems generally have lower biodiversity compared to other biomes. However, they are still home to a variety of specially adapted plant and animal species, including reptiles, insects, birds, and small mammals. 6. Sand dunes and rocky terrain. Hot deserts often feature vast expanses of sand dunes and rocky terrain. Sand dunes are formed by wind erosion and deposition, while rocky areas may consist of bare rock or scattered vegetation adapted to the harsh conditions. 7. Adaptations for water conservation. Animals in hot desert ecosystems have evolved numerous adaptations to survive in water-scarce environments. These adaptations include nocturnal behavior to avoid daytime heat, efficient water-saving mechanisms such as concentrated urine and specialized kidneys, and behavioral adaptations such as burrowing to escape extreme temperatures.